A thin uniform rod of length L is bent at its midpoint as shown in the figure. The distance of center of mass of Forni of the point O is. Now suppose we have initially this mass M and length L, rod is here with us, and say, so we can actually describe uniform mass density. This is uniform mass density, which is lambda is equal to M by L for this rod, because they already mentioned uniform rod. So now what actually they have done something like this, and this angle is to be given as theta. Okay, now this is our point O, and this rod is actually bent from the midpoint. So I can clearly see this will be lambda into L by 2, mass lambda into L by 2, which will be clearly, I can see that M by L into L by 2, which will be M by 2. So similarly this mass, let's say M1 and M2, or say M, so M will also become M by 2, M dash and M dash in both cases. So now they are asking the moment of inertia from this point. So let's take this as a horizontal and 0 0, okay, origin. Now if you draw this, then you will get this will be 180 minus theta, right? So from this I can conclude that for this rod, if I take one part of this rod, the center of mass will be at what point? This point, which will be actually minus L by 4 comma 0. Am I clear with this? Because this point will be actually 0. This length is actually, the length is L by 2. So this is L by 2. So this midpoint will be L by 4. Why minus? Because it is actually leftwards towards the origin. And for this rod, which is actually of L by 2, so center of mass will be somewhere here. So what will be the coordinates for center of mass for this rod? So this rod will be having this center of mass. So this angle is 180 minus theta. So first of all, if this will be L by 4, then I can clearly see this length, okay, this length, which length? Let's say OD. So OD is going to be how much? L by 4 into sine theta, correct? Because this length is theta, so this is OD, sorry, L by 2 cos theta. And what about, suppose this dP? So this dP is going to be how much? L by 4 sine theta, okay. So L by 4 sine 180 minus theta, this should be minus, but that doesn't make any sense because we need modulus of the rod. So L by 4 cos theta and L by 4 sine 180 minus theta, which will directly give L by 4 sine theta, correct? So center of mass for this rod is going to be at what point? L by 4 cos theta comma L by 4 sine theta, right? So now we have 2 points. One point is minus L by 4 comma 0. Another point is L by 4 cos theta and L by 4 sine theta. So this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1. So now apply xcm, which will be m1 x1. So what is the value of m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2? So which will be m1. So m1 is, which is m by 2 into x1 is minus L by 4 plus m2 is m by 2 into 0 divided by total mass. So m by 2 plus m by 2. So we get minus ml by 8 divided by m, which will be cancelled out. So minus L by 8. Fine. Now we need for YCM. So for YCM, let me remove it. So for YCM, we need to apply formula again. So if you apply the formula again, what do we get? first of all, what is the formula? So YCM will be m1 y1 plus m2 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now what is m1, which is similarly m by 2 into y1 was 0 and plus m by 2 into L by 4 sin theta, correct? Now divide by total mass m by 2 plus m by 2, which will give us ml sin theta by 8 divided by m. This will be cancelled out, so this will become L sin theta by 8, right? So these are the two coordinates which we got. So xcm and ycm we got, which is minus L by 8 and L by 8 sin theta. Now they are asking the distance from the L by 2 comma 0, because that was the initial center of mass. So how do we calculate the distances? So we have the distance formula to calculate distances, which will give us, which says d is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, which is distance of the between 2 points x1 and y1, okay, x2 and y2. So now if you apply for this, so you get, so minus L by 8 plus minus L by 8 minus L by 2 square plus L by 8 sin theta square. So now if you solve it, what do you get? So you will be getting 8, this will be L plus 4L, so 5L minus 5L square plus L square by 64 sin square theta. So I believe there will not be any option which will actually match. So L by 8 will be outside, this will become 25 plus sin square theta. So I don't think which option they are which we will be getting, okay.